Hi, my name is Brian, and today we are going to do another video on limits. In this video, we are going to evaluate the limit as h goes to 0 of 2 plus h squared minus 4 all over h. So the first thing you should do is always try the direct substitution method where you plug in h equals 0. It is a rational function, so this could be evaluated as long as the 0 is in the domain. Unfortunately, it is not. When you plug in 0, you're going to divide by 0. Now, when you plug h equals 0 in top, you will also simplify to 0. And then 0 over 0 is indeterminate. Again, that means we have to do something. We have a nice bag of tricks. In this case, we are going to do it by just simplifying and hoping that at some point we can factor an h out to cancel with that h. Okay, so 2 plus h squared, I'm just going to distribute that. Again, if you remember, you cannot distribute by just doing 2 squared and h squared. All right, you do have to FOIL this out, which you can do over here. Okay, so that'll give you 4 plus, so there's your 4, 2h, plus another 2h, plus h squared. And that all will simplify to 4 plus 4h plus h squared. All right, so let's go ahead and put that up here. 4 plus 4h plus h squared minus 4 all over h. Real quick, let's take a look at the graph of this function. Just pretend like h is really x. Now you'll notice that on the graph there, when x approaches 0, this function does approach a y value. So we're just going to, so we know it exists. So okay, back to the problem. These two have h's, which is good, but this 4 does not. Luckily, the 4 and the negative 4 will cancel, leaving us with 4h plus h squared all over h. Now get in the habit of factoring the h out. Don't just cancel like that. Sometimes people forget other h's that are on the numerator. So just factor it out. Okay. And then you can see that this h and the denominator h will cancel, leaving just 4 plus h on top. So we'll come over here. Let's box this. So you have the limit of 4 plus h as h goes to 0. So now I'm allowed to plug in h equals 0. I'm going to get a number out, and it will be 4. So again, back to the graph, you can see now as the h or x value approaches 0, you see the graph approaches the y value of 4. All right, so again, this is limits by simplifying. Hope it helps. Good luck. Bye.